Hello everyone, in this video I'm telling you how you can become a game developer in just 6 months. So guys, now let's begin. Before guys going any further, let's talk about, do you need coding for game development? So guys, the answer is yes and no. If you want to become a game designer, then you have to learn. You don't have to learn coding, but guys, if you want to become an indie game developer, then you have to learn coding. So indie game development means individual game developer who will develop whole game by themselves. Only one person or a small team will build whole game. Now guys, now let's talk about how you can become an indie game developer. First guys, you have to choose a game engine. There are many game engine in the market, but guys, Unity or Unreal Engine will be best. You can choose any of these, but guys, if you are beginner, then go with Unity. And guys, also with Unity you can create 2D and 3D games, but guys with Unreal Engine you can create only 3D games. And guys, there are many game engine, but guys here Unity will be best for beginner guys. Also you can learn Unreal Engine. Now guys, second step is to learn a programming language. There are many programming languages in the market, but guys, if you have chosen Unity, then go with C#. But guys, if you have chosen Unreal Engine, then go with C++. These two languages will be best for Unity and C and Unreal Engine. And guys, also remember, if you have chosen Unity, then you have to learn C#. You can't do it with C++. And guys, if you have chosen Unreal Engine, then guys go with C++. You can't do it with C#. Now guys, now after learning a language and now after learning a game engine, now you have to learn 3D models, how to create a 3D models. And guys, now after that, now you will be a game developer. But guys, if you want to become a pro game developer, then you have to do practice. And guys, for that you have to create new games every single day. You have to practice every single day. And guys, now after that, now you will be a game developer. And guys, you also remember, in game development you need physics and math. You have to learn how shadows works and how to move through the characters and how to move a car or how to use gravity in a game engine. So guys, a game engine will handle physics and math for you. And guys, now that's it. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So now bye bye.